think the ISS is the greatest human endeavor ever in the history of the world in terms of complexity and the challenges that are brought with that complexity.
2 decades ago, the Cold War was still going on, and here we are working with the Russians, the Americans, the Japanese, the Europeans, everybody working together, and it seems that it's a far better thing to be doing than we were doing 60 years ago. It gives us the chance to do programs that we couldn't do all by ourselves, and it gives us the chance to learn how different people work, how different cultures work together, and how we can cooperate and produce something as magnificent as the ISS.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Like stepping on stones across a stream, humans have started to take small steps across the universe. In the stream of time, the International Space Station is just one small step. All the lessons, good and bad, that we learn on Space Station will benefit us as we look toward longer missions away from Earth. Some of the biggest lessons learned from the design, development, and assembly of the International Space Station are those of peaceful cooperation among nations.
It would be impossible for any single country to do what we're doing here on Space Station. But as a team, we're pulling for a higher good, and that higher good is to learn to explore, to learn to push frontiers, to learn to move out. And that's really what cooperation brings us. And I can't think of a better example than Space Station when you look forward.
Humans will continue to explore in low Earth orbit, on journeys back to the Moon, to Mars, to asteroids, and beyond. But wherever we go, the International Space Station is improving our lives on Earth now and cementing our first real foothold for working and living in space.